Alrighty, I'm gonna start here with Mr. Jerry. Jerry, what club do we have here? Is this the pitching wedge? Okay. So a little pull there. Talk me through kind of how would you adjust from that shot right there?
Adjust
In terms of getting the club back to square a little better, because that was a little pull. Little pull. So what?
Probably somewhere in my stance.
Okay. Yeah. So we can move the ball back,
Okay.
and then yeah, we can maybe
Play it a little bit more right of center.
correct.
Okay.
Correct. It's much better there.
More straight.
That's right.
I done that.
Very good. Alrighty, Bob. How'd the first two go?
First one not so good. Second one was
Okay. So now we're on to the 7-iron or another wedge. 7. Okay. Yeah. So obviously, just use that club as a reference, kind of take away, pause.
I'm just trying to hit a little punch.
Yep. All right, so I'm with Bob here. So Bob is not a fan of like the 5-6 iron in the fairway on an approach shot. So we've obviously discussed he has a tendency to thin them and a tendency to miss them to the left, correct?
Push them.
Push them. Okay. So tendency to push them, tendency to thin them. So we've kind of discussed some things, and so Bob's going to use confidence commitment. He's going to use the mental game to his advantage here. He's going to step up. He's going to talk you through a shot. And we'll see how it goes.
Well, I've been hitting the ball in the fairway off the tee,
Okay.
and this is my downfall. I struggle to hit the green.
So like a longer hole, let's say here in Central Oregon.
Yeah. So
You get to this
I'm
distance.
160 to 175.
Okay.
I can struggle.
Okay.
So I'm gonna play it center of my stance.
Okay.
Yeah, it felt.
And the key is kind of for me is try to take a long backswing
Okay. Just get that extension.
and then compress the ball.
There you go.
I thinned it.
Thinned it. Okay. You want to hit one more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good ball.
Very
Shot.
good there.
That felt good.
There we go. Very well.